This latest cold snap, which is being supported by a steady push of winds coming in from the northwest. Way up in the atmosphere, the winds are still coming in from the west, so that's why you see occasional thin clouds, and there's a deeper batch of that moisture farther towards the west. Some of that will be streaming across the northeastern Gulf. That can influence how the sky appears at night, but they are way elevated high up, and I doubt they're going to have any major factor in slowing our rate of cooling. It could make a 1 or 2 degree difference, maybe between 30 and 28 in some cases, but it's not going to be fundamentally different because when you get your day started, a lot of kids going back to school in the morning, and they're going to have to be kind of prepared for that kind of sharp chill that will be felt at the bus stop in the morning. But at least we'll have bright sunshine, a few of those upper clouds coming through every so often during the day. Not much more than a mostly sunny trend or a brief period of filtered sunshine. But the winds will continue to stay on the light side, but they're coming from that colder direction. So wind speeds overnight, likely less than 6 miles per hour, maybe increasing to about 3 to 8 in the afternoon. So we're not going to have a big issue when it comes to winds, but any little wind flow when it's so cold outside will make it feel a few degrees lower than it actually is. So wind chill values first thing in the morning. Think bus stop, think walking out the door to your car, around 25 to 30 in most cases, and perhaps even a few colder pockets around Lake Seminole when it comes to the wind chill value. Not actual air temperature, but just how you're. We won't have so much of a wind chill in the afternoon with a lot of sunshine offsetting the cold, but we do have an official cold weather advisory just for the possibility of lower 20 wind chill values in the tri-state region, specifically Gadsden, Jackson County. Not saying it's exclusive to those areas, but more likely to have the lowest wind chill values there, with a general freeze warning in effect for some of our Suwannee River counties early in the morning. And again, not exclusive to those areas, because you get to 28 or so, that's freezing, and you could have about 3 to 5, maybe 6 hours of freezing temperatures. Not likely hard freeze category, in fact, not hard freeze category, but if you do have susceptible, thin, worn out pipes that are exposed to the cold, you may want to protect those. Our highs tomorrow will climb back into the 50s. We stay below average for tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, but that's when we bring in our rain chance. Late Friday afternoon into Saturday morning, avoiding the coldest part of that stretch, so it's going to be all rain.